that much. And breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really do know you.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a girl Momo. If you didn't know, now you know. And today, as you can see by the title, birthday from friends and family. Okay, so I'm gonna start with what's already opened. So I got this iPad, and as you can see, it's, well, I don't know if you can already tell, yeah, pink. Thank you. Round of applause for an iPad, please. Guys, I already know what this is because I opened the box because I thought it was my package. I thought it was something that I ordered. But yeah, anyways. This is from Tiana. Good body TT. Thank you, dear. Thank you, darling. So it's some eye patches. Really need these. Really need these. Thank you, girly. And then this is a roll to really set me. She said, girl, y'all got on this. Y'all are about to get ready with me in this robe, okay? It's so soft. Yes. Guys, this is so soft. Oh my gosh. Wait a minute. Let me put this on right now. Oh, you mean good? Yeah, I'm gonna with this. I look like somebody rich auntie. Auntie Mavis. No, Mavis not so rich. Mavis not so like a rich name. Let me see. Auntie Beyonce. Auntie Beyonce, yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go to Angame. No, me not take it off. And what? Bad mind. Them, kill them. Hi, I'm Auntie Beyonce. Okay guys, we're gonna move on. So I got this tripod. I'm using it to film right now, but I'll put it up on the screen right here so that you guys could see it. Also, check out my shorts because I post the unboxing of this. Okay. Don't show the address, so no for this. I'm not sure what this is. We're about to go find out together. Okay. Also guys, I'm supposed to get more packages. I don't know if I'm going to do an unboxing or if I'm going to post this or if I'm going to do an unboxing for those packages and then put it with this. We'll see. I love how y'all spend your money, extra money, to give me the birthday, you know, like, I love that. Oh my gosh. Let's see who this is from. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Fran. A gift from Kevin. Happy birthday, Momo. All the best for the new year. Hopefully we'll get a chance to meet in the near future. Thank you, boo.
Come to find out.
To a party. Thank you, dear. No. Thanks, bro. Right. Okay, let's see what this is. Let me put what I'm doing. It will be like a Christmas, even though it's my birthday. I love this packaging. Oh my god. Oh yes. does it look? Do I have to set it up or it looks small? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Ooh. By the way, I just want to say thank you to everyone who told me happy birthday. My birthday was on the 11th of January. So big up all that uno. Yeah, uno come true. Y'all told me happy birthday. Everyone who got me gifts, everybody who sing to me, all the calls, everything. Just everything. Big up uno. Because oh, I wasn't showing you. So this is it. It's actually a perfume stand. I'm gonna put my perfume, my clothes, everything on here. Cause you know the girl are getting our perfume collection and sing. Right now I be a boss and body works my have look perfume here and there, but I need some more. So if y'all want to send me some perfume, you know, I'm here for it. Okay. So yeah, I have to set this up later, okay? But thank you, darling. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I appreciate it so much. Thank you. Guys, this is from Bestie Boo all the way in Jamaica. The lady come out for me, you know. Crazy. I am so loved. My Shaylas. Oh my god. I love y'all so much. Hold on. I don't know what this is. Glam pen. Is this like makeup stuff? Let's see. Oh yes. It's some makeup brushes. Let me just tell y'all something. Prepare to be secretly. I'm gonna be on here doing makeup every day. Every day. Okay? Every day. Prepare. Prepare. Thank you, bestie. Beauty blenders and brushes. I know that's right. She getting me right. Okay? Guys, there's something else in the box. There's a box inside a box. Ooh, what's this? Open or something? I have to flip up the box. It's a blankie. It's a blankie. So soft. Thank you. I love it. I love it. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Bestie Boo. Mwah. So as I said, I still have a few more stuff to get. This video feels so long, I don't think I'm gonna include them, but big up to Chrissy, big up Tiana, big up Bestie Boo, Mahalia, big up my auntie them, yeah. Who else? Big up myself. Big up my father and my stepmother and my sister. Who else? Who else? Big up everybody, big up everybody. I did say Tiana, big up yourself. Big up everybody, big up everybody, yeah? Love no. Love no can't to bed. Love no I cook food. Big up belly. Big up your belly. Yeah. Love no to my heart, understand? No, we're not gonna say that, but no. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. Hopefully this won't be the last time that y'all I'm getting hot. I'm not take it off though. I'm not take it off. Hopefully this won't be the last time y'all are going to be seeing me this year. Yeah, hopefully it's not the last time you're gonna see me this year or this month. I am hoping to be consistent this year. Yeah. Right. Anyways, I'll see y'all in the next video, whenever that is. Love y'all so much. Bye. You're crazy. I got points. I'm from a nice spot. I'm gonna make a dash. Where? When I get spoiled? Why when I get spoiled? When I get spoiled? Oh shit. Okay, bye now. High volume.
Am I really that much?